Hi, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome updates and videos. A set is a collection of unique elements. It is like a list or a dictionary, but there are a few important differences. No duplicate elements. A set cannot have duplicate values. If you try to add an item that already exists in the set, it will be ignored. Unordered. The elements in a set do not have a specific order, which means that when you print a set, the order of the elements might not be the same as when you added them. Mutable. You can add or remove elements from a set, but you cannot change an element after eta has been added. No indexing or slicing like in a list. Creating a set with numbers. We use curly braces to define a set. This set contains three elements, 1, 2, and 3. Sets automatically remove duplicates, so if you try to add a duplicate, it will be ignored. Adding an element to the set. We use the add method to add a single element to the set. Here, we are adding 4 to our existing set. Trying to add a duplicate element. Since sets cannot have duplicate elements, trying to add 2 again will not change the set. Output will still be 1, 2, 3, 4. Removing an element from the set. We use remove to remove an element. Here, we are removing the element 3. If the element does not exist, remove raises an error, so we need to be careful. Discarding an element from the set. Discard removes an element if it exists, but it will not raise an error if the element is not found. Here, we try to remove 5, which is not in the set, and no error will occur. Clearing all elements from the set. Clear removes all the elements from the set, leaving it empty. creating a new set with more elements. Now we create a new set to demonstrate set operations. Union of two sets. Union combines all unique elements from both sets. The operator or union method gives us a set with elements from both sets. Output will be a 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection of two sets. Intersection gives us only the common elements between both sets. The AND operator or intersection method is used for this. Or you could use my_set, intersection, another underscore set. Difference of two sets. Difference gives us the elements that are in the first set, but not in the second. The operator or difference method will give us this result. Or you could use my_set, difference, another underscore set. Symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference gives us elements that are in either set, but not in both. The caret operator or symmetric underscore difference method will give us this result. Or you could use my_set, symmetric underscore difference, another underscore set. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.